The truth about green tea. What makes it a powerful weight loss drink? Curious about green tea's association with weight loss? Then that's great because we've compiled a list of green tea's benefits that explains how drinking it can help you lose weight. Let's get started. Number 1. Fat burning. The first thing on our list is fat burning. Green tea contains antioxidants that are proven to help burn fat. Among them is catechin. In a study by the International Journal of Obesity, it was found out that catechins in green tea helped overweight men lose weight and maintain it after. Catechins made this possible by increasing norepinephrine, the hormone in our body that helps break down fat. For short, catechins help speed up the process of fat burning in our bodies. Another antioxidant in green tea is the EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate, which burns fat by boosting the body's metabolism. If you aren't familiar with metabolism yet, then it's important to know that it refers to the process of converting calories from food to energy that our body uses to function. We burn calories even just by breathing, so the faster your metabolism is, the quicker you lose weight. In a research done by the Journal of Medicinal Food, it was found out that the EGCG in green tea helped overweight women lose weight and decrease their waist circumference and body mass index, or BMI. Number 2. Stress reducing. The next thing that we're going to talk about is green tea's stress reducing effects. And one of your struggles in losing weight is stress eating. Then you may probably consider drinking green tea. A research done in the Department of Psychology of Nagoya University in Japan proved that green tea was effective in reducing the stress and anxiety of the participants who were exposed to stressful conditions. And this is due to the L-theanine, an amino acid in the green tea that they drank. Plus, L-theanine is also proven to improve one's quality of sleep. So if you're having sleeping problems and tend to eat a lot during those hours that you just can't fall asleep, then green tea may be the perfect solution for you. Just make sure you'll drink the low caffeine variant. In a study done at the University of Shizuoka, Japan, participants ended with a better quality of sleep and reduced stress after a week of consuming low-caffeine green tea. Before we move on with our list, if you're finding this video helpful so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and click on the bell icon to be updated once we upload a new video. Third on our list is sugar regulating. Studies have shown that drinking green tea helps in the prevention of diabetes and obesity because of its sugar regulating effects. The plant compounds and antioxidants in green tea help us maintain healthy blood sugar levels, and they have various ways of doing that. The antioxidants, catechins, and anthocyanins prevent glucose, which is sugar, from being absorbed in the stomach. Another component of green tea that has sugar-regulating properties is saponins, which are a plant compound that has many medicinal properties. Saponins delay the transfer of glucose from the stomach to the small intestine. Number 4. Lowering cholesterol. And finally, we're going to talk about green tea's ability to lower cholesterol. Studies have shown that green tea helps in lowering cholesterol, in particular, the bad cholesterol or LDL. It was also proven that it helps in reducing triglycerides, which is another kind of fat in our body. Cholesterol is a type of fat that performs several important functions in our body. However, high levels of it are dangerous and can lead to heart diseases and stroke. Overweight people are more at risk of developing these health issues. That sums up our list. We hope that explained to you how drinking green tea helps in losing weight. But aside from that, we also recommend another powerful weight loss drink. This is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. That's a delicious blend of fruits, herbs, and tea extracts, which includes green tea. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic targets the root cause of fat. That's why so many people got amazing results so quickly, just like Susan Atley. a 45-year-old mom who lost 33 pounds in just 4 weeks after drinking it every morning. And that's without doing additional workouts or diet. If you want to know more about her story, check out the link in the description box below. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned because we have more health-related videos like this that we're excited to share with you next. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.